Hey, Lee Cole here, and just got access to Drew Laughlin's incredible mobile app marketing PLR package. And you can see that I'm sitting here inside the members area. Basically, there are three parts to this. One is what we call the front end package, which stands by itself. You don't need the other two, but I just wanted to show you the other two also. Now, on the watching this video, don't pay attention to this other stuff. So what we're talking about is these first three items right here. Now, let's go over this. The consultant funnel itself is, again, we call that the front end product. That's the first thing that you might want to buy. The upsells or OTOs or whatever you want to call those are the mobile app marketing kit and the mobile app marketing credibility book. Now, I'm going to show you what all's in here. I mean, I could just click on this and open it up and show that to you, but that's going to be very, very confusing. I've got a list over on this other tab of everything that's in each of these, and so I want to go over that with you carefully. So, the front end, the lead generation funnel right here consists of the following. It's got a lead gen site. It's got conversion videos in both US and UK voiceover. By the way, the quality of Drew's stuff is just top notch. I mean, I actually use this stuff in my own business. You get a report, checklist, source files, so you get all the PSD files and everything so that you can, Word files so that you can change and customize as you need, and a quick start program on how to use this stuff to make money. So that's the front end product. The first upsell, or what people sometimes refer to as OTO1, is a marketing kit. So this would be a marketing kit that would go along with this stuff so that you can now market yourself as an expert in mobile app marketing, okay? And, you know, or you could, whether you've got an offline business or not, I mean, if you don't, this would be a great way to start. If you already have an offline business, this would be a great addition to what you're doing. But the marketing kit is really just has an enormous amount of cool stuff in it. You get 4 more videos, okay? 4 more videos in text and picture show styles. Autoresponder message sequence, really, really nice looking infographic. Other graphics, other marketing graphics, postcards, banner ads, and you can see the rest of this stuff. Social media post images, Facebook ad images, Facebook ad sales copy, so you can run Facebook ads to get people to your squeeze page, you know, to get them on your list and market to them in a resource cheat sheet. I'm really, really partial to OTO2 because I love books, okay? I'm really partial to OTO2, the credibility book. You get a whole book, okay? So this is a book that you can publish on Kindle. You can publish it on CreateSpace. As a matter of fact, it's already formatted for CreateSpace, all right? You could reformat it or get somebody to reformat it for Kindle. That's really, really cheap to do. You can do that on Fiverr for $5. You get the cover design, everything that you need, plus if you've never self-published anything on Kindle or CreateSpace or anywhere else, Drew's got a whole course about how to do that. So let's go over this again. Front end product is the funnel itself, okay? So you get the site, which is basically a squeeze page, and the report, which is your giveaway. You get that site. You get a marketing kit as OTO1, and you get the credibility book as OTO2. This all comes for a very, very low price. You get full private label rights to this. Just cut and paste it to use it as is in your own business. Again, as you can see, I get all of Drew's stuff and have for a very, very long time. I get all of Drew's stuff and use that in my own business. It rocks. Thank you so much. I'm Lee Cole. Oh, one more quick thing. If you buy this through my link, you're going to get a ton of bonuses. If you're looking at this on my bonus page, just scroll down. You'll see the bonuses. If you're looking at this video on YouTube, click the link in the description or one of the annotations, and it will take you to the bonus page. You can check that out there. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'm Lee Cole. Talk to you soon.